open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles east of Cleveland to 7 nautical miles west of Whitefish Bay to 31 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.